Hi friends, welcome back to Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video we'll discuss about the multimedia, and this is the last topic in our series about HTML. So what is multimedia? Do you guys know about anything in multimedia? Okay, let me explain. We will come across the different web browsers like Facebook, WhatsApp, and YouTube, right? In different websites, for example, we'll take Facebook. In Facebook, we are able to see the images, like the people posting their daily lifestyle or anything on the Facebook in the format of image, audios, and videos, right? So that how we need to implement that using HTML. We'll check that. So in multimedia, we have different kinds of multimedias like image, audio, video source. So we will discuss each of these separately in the video using VS Code editor, right? Let me switch back to my VS Code and browser. Yeah. So I have for that I'm just copied some images, music and videos for this, and let me create some file multimedia.html. Okay. Yeah. So the boiler code goes here as usual, and just formatting the text, and not formatting the text, it is just a kind of wrapping of the text. Let me reload the page and go to what it is, multimedia, right? Yeah, here it is. So what is multimedia? First we'll check about the image element, how we need to embed it, the image into website. So for that, just type img tag and hit enter. You are able to see img source and alternate name. So for that, we have the image source means we need to add an URL here. We have images, right? Under images I'm just adding the JPG. Okay, we need to give the perfect JPG format, like the extension of the file. So we are able to see the output on the browser, and in case if we don't have the dog PNG, right? So I'm just giving as this, like I'm just giving in this way, but uh, in the browser we are unable to see anything. So at that point, if in some cases we don't have access to access some in some cases we are unable to access the files from the browser, so at that time we are able to see some text like what it is. So just like this dog. So when it is not accessible, then the browser will display the file is not accessible, so we are able to see like this is a kind of dog image. So in that manner we need to write the alternate thing. So I'm just writing images.jpg, and even we need to write the alter, so it will be much helpful. It will be I'm just writing back to images, so we are able to see the image here. And after that, what else we can write in image tag? We have source, alternate text, even we have the border, right? Here we can write the border equal to some 3 pixel. Okay, when I write the border as 3 pixel, we are able to see the border around the image. This is one advantage. And even we have width and height. For this width, as I'm just giving 100 pixel, which will be of this size, and even height is also of 100 pixel. Let's check. Yeah, so we are able to see the image with width and height. So this is about the image tag. And now let's jump into the audio tag. Okay. Oh yeah, let me write here the image. After that, we'll just break down. I'm just breaking down, so it will be come in the next picture. Okay, after this I'm just breaking the line, and let's see about the audio tag, right? What is audio tag? What else we can do with the audio tag? For that audio tag, we can write directly in the browser, I mean HTML code like audio, and hit enter. We are able to see the src, the similar thing. There is no much difference between the audio and image, and even with the video itself. So 3 are same tags, like the usage of three things are similar. So here I am just using the source. We have an audio, right? I'm just writing music. We have some two themes, like I am taking some uh, theme of three. It's a kind of music from movie 3, so I have took that. And what else we can write? Similarly we can write alternate with okay, here there is not required to write the alternate tag. Let me reload the page. Why it's not coming? I don't see. Yeah, okay, I got it. So for that we need to write controls. Yeah, controls. Yeah, once after writing controls we are able to see the player in the browser, right? Actually I'm showing the browser in 200 like I'm zooming the browser in 200, so for that reason you're seeing the larger size. So even here we have the play pause buttons and the music mute unmute thing, and even the download and playback speed. Okay, so for this we can add more things, like we can loop this. What loops stands for, once the audio completes, it will be played automatically. Yeah, I'm just so the loop starts over again from the beginning of the audio. And what else we can do? Here we have autoplay option. Okay, autoplay will help us once after the reload directly it will start the music. Let me mute the player and I will reload the page. So here you can see once after reload, I'm just I mean I can enter this. You can see I have not pressed anything. Autoplay is enabled. Why or not? Okay. So here I'm just entering the autoplay. Autoplay will be used to play the audio file automatically from without making any changes in the browser. See, I'm just reloading the page. Oh, it's I'm unable to play this. I don't know why it's happening here. Okay, let me write something here, like mp3 song. So when I write mp3, we are able to we are not able to see this mp3, right? Oh god, it